Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Greasy Dog 27 back again. And today, guys, I'm bringing you a very excitable video. Excitable? Whatever, guys, I'm talking rubbish. But today, I'm going to be showing you guys where to go to get the best Amazon promo codes working in 2024. These are simple Amazon discount codes that you can enter within the app or on the website, and it's going to remove a bunch of money off your next order. And it works site-wide, it works worldwide, so everyone can benefit from this no matter where you live or what your budget is. So let's get into the tutorial. You need to use your mobile phone, guys. So I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter if you're on Android, and you need to open up the internet. So let me just record my screen quickly so you can follow along. Yeah. Open up the internet, guys, and go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. Oops, certainly don't say type that, guys, .com. That was just a pure error on my behalf. Anyway, go to this website, and when you reach Speedy Coupons, hit that search bar, and it says search below and find your special code. So let's get you your Amazon special code. So type in Amazon, and you're looking for the Amazon gift card codes and coupons page. Click on it. Scroll down. Now, as I mentioned, there are promo codes available for Amazon on this page, and at the top there is a $100 Amazon promo code, and there is also a 50% off technology code there, and there's a couple of other codes. But the $100 off code is the one I personally recommend. I've used this multiple times, and of course it's saved me $100 every single time. You can literally add like $105 to the basket, apply this code, and it's going to be pretty much for completely free. So click show coupon. Now you need to unlock your code. This is the most important part of the entire process, guys. To unlock your code, you're going to need to tap unlock code. I'm not going to do it. As you can see, these coupons are limited. I don't actually need anything off Amazon at the minute, but you're going to see a new screen, guys, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. You need to just complete a couple of these, like from verification tasks. Takes about 5 minutes. Super easy. It's well worth it considering you're saving $100, and once you've done that and followed through all of the instructions, your code will be fully revealed, and that's when you can copy it and enter it into the website or on the Amazon app, and it's going to remove $100 off your next order. That is it, guys. Super easy. It takes a few minutes. Go to speedycoupons.com. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Always monitoring the comments and willing to help you guys out. Smash that like button. Let's see if we can get over 120 likes on this video. That'd be awesome.